Hi, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, so we are here in the market. So I will say the kilo of adoyan depends on the variety. So one for 20, this one, this side, and this one is 1 kilo is 18 kilo, tag 18 ang kilo. So napoy tag 22 ang kilo. So napod dito nakalagay og styrofoam tag 15. So ito lang kita maglunok-lunok ano. So ang ilahapong jackfruits diri is nasa 345 245 sorry 245 dragon fruits. Mamalit kag isa, so $3. So mangosteen nila is $2 each. Oh my god, ang mahal dai. Mahal no, ang ato pong pinya diri is mahal po guys sa ngatanan oh. Ang ilahang pinya diri guys, mahal kayo. Berting mahala. So thank you for watching.